Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on Twitch, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen, click on settings, tap on security and privacy, click on password, and first of all you should type in your current password, and after that your new password, and then confirm it by typing in your new password again. After that, you should tap on this done button in the upper right corner of the screen in order to change your password, and you will be able to use it once it's accepted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.